We're now inside of a special segment, which is in fact sponsored by Howard Johnson Realty Limited and also HJ Property Management Limited. We've been telling you all morning that inside of Real Estate Today, we'll be looking at going digital with property management. And before I introduce our usual guest, just want to let you know that the property management industry, in fact, operates in an aggressive and continuously changing environment. For some, business relies on direct communication for day-to-day operations. However, in today's fast-moving world, property managers need to stay updated with the incoming and, in fact, upcoming industry trends. What are those? Those are like going digital to connect with their clients and their renters and even their staff where that is necessary. And so, to expand on that topic, going digital with property management, we're joined today by the CEO of Howard Johnson Realty Limited and of HJ Property Management Limited, Howard Johnson Jr. himself in the studio. Good morning, Howie.
Morning, Richie, and good morning to everyone who's listening.
How are you doing, sir?
Well, I'm giving thanks, giving thanks. I got up this morning and I saw the sunshine, so I say, yeah, it's another good day.
Yeah, you're above ground. We have to give thanks.
Every time.
What ways have property management changed, would you say, Howie, in the last few years?
Well, I think over the years, property managers have become a little bit complacent in just doing the mundane task in the same old way. But with the the introduction of the pandemic last year, we have had to make adjustments, and many persons have had to turn to technology, especially with the restrictions of staying away. How do you manage a property without being face-to-face or on property? Mm-hmm. But it highlighted a lot of challenges that we may have not recognized, which is the automating of many of your processes and having them interconnected. Okay. And we find that, well, from experience and even hearing from some of my colleagues, we found that we had several systems running in isolation, and that puts a little strain on your resources or your human resources, because you have to be managing different portals, etc. Mm-hmm. But many persons have now adapted to the new way of doing things, and most of the technologies that are used to run property management now are systems that are comprehensive and interconnected, as I mentioned earlier.
Right at your fingertip.
Right at your fingertips, and it keeps you in touch with your clients as well.
Okay.
Yes.
From the look of it, the property managers and renters are right there on the front line during this pandemic. What do you find are some of the concerns, put forward by landlords and even renters during this time?
Well, I'm glad you mentioned frontline workers, because even during the orders, etc., when you heard about the nurses, the doctors, free to move around,
right?
How do you look at a complex with 100 people, 75 people, and tell them that you cannot respond to anything when they're working from home? Exactly. So we had to be on the front line, and eventually we got our exemptions to move around so that we can address some of the issues from landlords and tenants by being on property. And the dynamics of persons being at home, the common area or the facilities are being utilized more often. Mm-hmm. So you would have had issues or areas such as the pools, the gyms, etc. All of these areas are heavily utilized, and these were concerns from landlords and tenants as to how are they going to be regulated, how are they going to be managed, and that's where we came in, and we had to respond even during the lockdowns and curfews, and so we had to be on the road attending to these issues for landlords and tenants.
There's a great deal of transformation that has taken place in the industry. As it relates to things like the rental experience, would you say it is any better at this time? In what ways, really, would you say that the pandemic has sort of accelerated the future of property management?
Well, it helped us to really ascertain how we serve our clients and how we are responsive to the needs of our stakeholders. So for the landlords, we were able to do better checks on our clients because we had more times and a lot more documents were submitted to us. Instead of just having a face-to-face interview, we were collecting information to ascertain if this is the right person for your property. For strata complexes or gated communities, we were able to implement strategies that made communication easier. And the future of property management is where now, up until just yesterday, we were limited to just 10 persons gathering. So you had to incorporate technology, Zoom, whatever it is, online virtual meetings, because you had to have your annual general meetings, you had to have your executive committee meetings.
Yeah.
But what we found is that gave greater participation, because you had a lot of persons, certainly for those listening on the bridge in the diaspora, New York, Canada, all over UK,
Yes.
they are now participating in their meetings where they couldn't before because they weren't here to attend. So they usually give their proxies, but now with the virtual space, they're on time and there for the whole meeting, because they're now getting appreciation of what is happening on the ground even while they're away. So that just that very addition of online meetings that we were forced to conduct because of the pandemic has now eased the ability for us to move in with the times.
So would you say then, Howard, that what we might call smart home technologies are in fact enhancing the experience in property management?
Yes, it is. When you can move in a tenant without being at the door, that's a great step in the industry. And with these technologies where owners overseas can send a code to the door or send a code to the tenant, and the tenant just punch in their code and get inside the house, and the property managers, the cameras are there for the facilities, and you're watching the property, or just ensuring that the safety of the tenant is okay. These are things that we believe that the smart homes help to ease the day-to-day monitoring and presence on site. Not that it is not needed, because as property managers, you may not pick up the rat around the back of the yard or the beehive that is under the roof. But there are things that we can undertake now without having to physically be on the property, and that's because of the introduction or the reintegrating of the technology in our space, property management space now.
Would you say then that at HJ Property Management that you are fully aligned with modern technology, and it's assisting you in how you deliver the services that you offer?
Well, I have to brag, if I may, right, DJ? I have to brag.
Go right ahead.
But yes, based on the calls that we have been getting and the new contracts that we have been signing recently, it's a testament to how we have adjusted where others may not have had the time or the resources to adjust. So we have implemented the technology to make things easier for our clients. And I think one of the most significant things that we did that we were lauded for is the fact that although it's not new technology, but we have facilitated online credit card payments, because you remember when your offices are closed for half a day or people cannot come into your space, or you only have 2 people to come and run your credit card, would have been a challenge. So people are now making their credit card payments online from overseas, and guess what? That is in better compliance, because whereas they have to wait till they come Jamaica, send a check, wire money, and pay $4,000 for that wire, then when the strata gets it or the landlord gets it, there's a deduction from the bank for receiving that money. We're now facilitating online credit card payments, and with that, people are more compliant, which provides the resources to the properties and the property owners to do the things that they need to do, because everyone is now having the opportunity to pay up where it was lagging before. So we have been lauded for seemingly integrating that into our processes.
Fantastic. Please let us be the first to announce when you have that property of over 5,000 units in New York that is under your umbrella.
I waited at the corner. I think Bobby's on the ground. Bobby's on the ground trying to solicit that sort of relationship. So big up yourself, Bobby.
You're keeping the right company.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All right, Howie, what is your tip of the day that you want to share this morning? You do have one, right?
Yes, we do. As property owners, you want an experienced company that reflects your values and will maximize the returns for your investment property. Consult the experts who will make your investment a priority, which is in fact our tagline.
All right. And one such expert would, of course, be HJ Property Management.
No doubt.
Now, you have a deal for us today. Let's go to
Going but not yet gone. Yes, sir.
What is it?
All right. Well, we have a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom townhouse located in Long Mountain Country Club. It can be your new home today. You will enjoy living in a safe and secure community that is designed for your comfort. The property is equipped with 24-hour security, comes with a water heater, a backup 400-gallon water tank, AC units and ceiling fans in each bedroom. The complex does have a swimming pool, a clubhouse, and a well-stocked convenience store. And let's not talk about the views from Long Mountain. We're asking you to call today Carol Madden. She can be reached at 876-351-3113. That's Carol Madden at 876-351-3113. If you're not getting her on her phone, you can send her an email at carol@hjrealtors.com.
All right, good luck with that, Carol. Miss Madden, have a great day today and good success with that particular deal that you have going on. All right, we are pretty much out of time. How can you be contacted and where and all that? Give us some deets.
Well, because of the Property Management Show, you can visit our website at hjmanage.co. That's www.hjmanage.co to hear more about our property management company. But usually you can call us on our landlines, 876-620-1457. You can send us an email at info@hjmanage.co or visit us on any social media platform. HJManage is our handle or username.
All right. Very interesting program today.
Thank you, sir.
We looked at going digital with property management. It's courtesy of Howard Johnson Realty Limited and, of course, their sister company, HJ Property Management Limited. Thank you once again, Howie. What is it like in traffic this morning?
Well, coming down Hope Road, we encountered a few, delays at the intersection of TGI Friday which is Hope Road and Trafalgar, Lady Musgrave.
Musgrave and Hope.
Yes, that we encountered a little traffic, and just coming by Kingsway just before you make the left before 7 o'clock, there was a little delay right in front of Andrews Hospital. But other than that, it was smooth sailing.
All right.
Going towards Hope Road on Kingsway, you will encounter bumper to bumper traffic, but in the other direction towards Fontana, smooth sailing.
All right. Send Bobby the invoice.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Take care, Howie. Have a great day.
You too. Big up yourself.
All right. That is, of course, Real Estate Today. It happens every Wednesday morning at 8 o'clock right here, and it's courtesy of Howard Johnson Realty Limited and HJ Property Management. Of course, the CEO, Howard Johnson, was our guest. Junior, that is, was our guest today. Say hi to Daddy for us as well,
yes,
all right?
Will do.
We're now inside of a special segment, which is, in fact, sponsored by Howard Johnson Realty Limited and also HJ Property Management Limited. We've been telling you all morning that inside of Real Estate Today, we'll be looking at going digital with property management. And before I introduce our usual guest, just want to let you know that the property management industry, in fact, operates in an aggressive and continuously changing environment. For some, business relies on direct communication for day-to-day operations. However, in today's fast-moving world, property managers need to stay updated with the incoming and, in fact, upcoming industry trends. What are those? Those are like going digital to connect with their clients and their renters and even their staff where that is necessary. And so, to expand on that topic, going digital with property management, we're joined today by the CEO of Howard Johnson Realty Limited and of HJ Property Management Limited, Howard Johnson Jr. himself in the studio. Good morning, Howie.
Morning, Richie, and good morning to everyone who is listening.
How are you doing, sir?